What's going on, guys? It's Friday night. It's time for the reveal. So, you know I'm excited about this. I hope you're excited about this. It's finally time to reveal what this is. Some of you guys may recognize the background. If not, I'll go ahead and tell you. I'm at a storage unit. Found somebody on Craigslist a few months ago who was interested in some stuff I had for sale. And after months and months of some wheeling and dealing, we finally came to an agreement. It was really based on a lot of trades of some stuff I got in my garage. I got a ton of stuff in my garage. Well, I used to, but he's got a lot of it coming to him this weekend now. So this is happening. Here it goes, guys. Let's do this reveal. There it is. Now I had to pull it out and throw these wheels on. It actually had some wheels on the other side that I'll show you, but nothing fancy. It was just some dry rotted tires that didn't hold air, and it was hard to move the car. But yeah, this is it. 63 Super Sport Impala. It's a real convertible. It's a real SS, and just unveiling this for the first time. So it comes with a lot of parts, but I think this was like a restoration project that just never got around to getting restored. It's got some quarter panels, got a brand new floor, and in the back of the truck, it's kind of hard to tell. There's a trunk floor in there, but it looks like they started at some point and then just stopped. I think the floor was the first project because they cut the floor out. There's some wood down there, you can't see, but they cut the whole entire floor out and luckily braced it with the these rods going around the car on the inside. So yeah, you can see the floor is out. So you got to Fred Flintstone this for a little bit, and it is legit. But brand new floor. These are the wheels that were on there. They're all dry rotted and just crappy, real bad condition. But yeah, this is it. This is it. I got out here way later than expected. I was trying to get some sunlight out here so you guys could see this. But the car was originally a manual transmission Super Sport. One of the previous owners was going to convert to auto. So we got the plate there for the auto trans. If you can see, that park, reverse, neutral drive, and low. The center console there, but I'm not going to use these quarter panels. They're not super clean. It's got some surface rust on there, but these are just the skins. I'm gonna get the full quarter panel, but yeah, guys, this is it. This is it. And for some of you guys that are aware of the scammers out there when it comes to converting the Impalas and all that kind of stuff, if your back window doesn't come up like that, if it doesn't go up or down like that, where it's going like this, then you may have a clone or conversion. The convertibles are the only ones that have the windows that come up and down like that versus the ones that just kind of go up. So I'll show you in the hardtop what I mean. All the glass is good except for the windshield. Got a crack on the windshield, but nice car. Nice car. I'm really happy with this. Really happy with this, guys. Let me know what you think. Right now there's no engine or transmission in there, but oh, I didn't open the trunk for you. Here's the other part of the quarter panels there. You can see they're not like in awesome condition, but it came with the car, so I can't complain. It's not like I got any money into it. But yeah, car's got a lot of random stuff in here. It was originally the Palomar red. I'm tossing around some ideas on some colors for this. I'm thinking either red or blue, or if not red or blue, something with a really nice pearl in it. So let me know what you guys think. But this is it. This is it. This is the big reveal. This is my dream car. I mentioned when I first ran across this car that it was my dream car, and I literally been wanting one of these since 93, 94. If you guys ever seen that Dr. Dre and Snoop Dogg, I think it was the BET, or no, Soul Train Awards intro, one of those shows, they came out in a convertible 63, and my life changed forever after that. So it was a done deal. It was a done deal. But this is it, guys. This is it. I'm going to catch it in some better sunlight so you guys can see it over the weekend. We'll come back tomorrow so you can see it and get around this thing. I'm so excited, guys. I finally got my dream car. Got my dream car. A little too dark in here to see it, but like I said, it needs a full restore. I'm very okay with that because now I can build it how I want, and that's it. That's it. So this thing's going to get completely torn down and built back up. But in the sunlight, this whole little patina thing it's got going on with these black wheels, it looked pretty slick. It looks really slick actually with the that patina finish and these 100-spoke black wheels. So I like how that came out. I like that a lot. Shout out to the dude I got the wheels from, Steve. He was up in, I believe, the Kokomo area. I gotta upload that video too for you guys, but yeah, he hooked me up with these wheels here. Really good price. Very, very, very excited about how this came out though. I'm excited, just even though this car doesn't run at all, I'm just happy. I got this thing. I'm so happy. So happy. Now you can see the instrument cluster been replaced. And if you remember the video I did, I think it was a couple months ago, it's got the SS pattern in here. So someone at some point took the original dash out and put this one in here. And that's actually the same as what's in the blue one. But if you look down at the pattern in here, you got the SS trim. So that's the non-SS design in the pattern in the stainless or the bright work there. And that's the SS pattern down there. So yeah, guys, it is official. Your boy came up. Your boy came up. So Mr. RJ Tickler, if you are watching, we're gonna shut it down, man. It's some nice rides out there for 2019. St. Cracker's 61. His 63 was amazing. The 61 is just incredible. That 61 Impala, if you guys haven't seen it, it's a beautiful green 61 convertible. that is just amazing. Same thing with King Tut, 64 Impala. You can tell these guys put their all into these cars. So my plan, put my all into this one. That's the plan. Dream car. Goals achieved. I can't believe it, man. I never thought this day was going to come. I was very close to just chalking this up and saying, you know, well, I guess I'll just see some at a car show and just say, man, I wish I had one. Now I get to take my own. Super excited, guys. So stay tuned for this ride. Stay tuned for this ride. Not just this car as the ride, but the ride I'm building this car up. This is going to be a fully detailed rebuild from the ground up. So this is definitely going to be a keeper. This is going to get passed down and definitely won't be getting sold. So let me know what you guys think. I'll get some better footage when it gets brighter out too, because it's kind of dark right now. All right, guys, thanks for watching. More videos coming soon. I'm going to get up underneath this thing, go all around it more in depth, get everything pulled out so you can see it real good. But this is it. Here she is. Here she is. All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. Thank you for subscribing. Thank you for jumping in on this reveal. This is a big deal for me. Very big deal for me. If any of you guys know how hard it is to find a 63 Impala, you understand. If you know how hard it is to find a 63 SS, a real SS, you understand. And if you understand how hard it is to find a 63 SS convertible, it's a unicorn. It's a unicorn. So I got my unicorn. I got my unicorn. I'm so happy. I'm so thankful. And I'm excited to build this up with you guys and put my all into this. So all right, guys, I gotta run. Have a good night. Have a good night. Have a great weekend. We got some more footage coming up on some other stuff going on, so I'm gonna tie a lot of stuff in this weekend. Stay tuned. All right, guys, talk to you soon. Let me know in the comments what you think. Start throwing out some colors on the exterior, on the interior. These are 14s on here. Calm down. These are 14s. I know 14s are illegal in the lowrider world, but I need to get this car moving. Those tires that were on there, couldn't move the car with those. It was in bad shape. So these wheels right here are, I'm not even sure if they're going to stay on this car, if they're going to go on the blue Impala or what, but there will be 13s on here. Don't worry. All right, guys. Talk to you soon. Please let me know what you think. Please share, please subscribe, please comment, but definitely share the video. Need to get more subscribers up, guys. We're right under 200. Need to get this up real soon. So let's do it, guys. Help me out, and I'll definitely help you out with some awesome footage coming up. All right, guys, have a good night.